Adobe Captivate Prime is a new age LMS that empowers you to set up, deliver, and track learning all by yourself. You can maximize the learning impact by developing skill-based programs and foster a learning culture by using gamification and mobile learning, and it doesn't stop there. You can go live instantly with a unique fluidic player that plays all kinds of e-learning content uniformly. Let's take a look at Adobe Captivate Prime. When you log into Adobe Captivate Prime, the first thing you experience is a flat and modern user interface. Unlike most of the LMSs, where most of the functionality is nested menus, in Adobe Captivate Prime, everything you need is available on the left pane, making it really simple for the L&D professionals to start using this learning management system. You can configure your company information by clicking Company Info on the left pane. Here you can enter some basic information, add your company logo, and even customize your subdomain link. In Adobe Captivate Prime, you can assume 4 different roles: administrator, author, manager, and learner. An admin is someone who defines the training strategy for an organization. Admins have the rights to add learners, set required competencies for learners, create courses, and view reports for the entire organization. Authors are typically instructional designers who create the training content. They can add modules and courses to Adobe Captivate Prime using the author dashboard. Team managers can directly manage the learning activities of their team using Adobe Captivate Prime. They can nominate their team members to take a course, approve requests for their team members, and provide feedback on the performance of their team member post-completion of training. They can also view reports to track their performance. And learners can access the courses and learning programs assigned to them. They can also browse through the available courses by using a catalog to enroll themselves for the courses, learning programs, and certifications. Now let's see how to add users to Adobe Captivate Prime account and assign them different roles. To add users, log into Adobe Captivate Prime as an administrator. In the left pane, click Users. On this page, click the Add button to add a single user or multiple users using CSV files. You can also create a self-registration link or create an external learner profile. To change the role of the user, select the user and then go to the Actions and select Assign Role to make an author or an administrator. When you add learners to your account, some default user groups are automatically created based on their common properties. You can go ahead and add new custom groups as well. These user groups are dynamic in nature. If new users are added with similar attributes, they are automatically added to these user groups. As an administrator, you can also create and assign skills to the learners and learner groups. This will help you ensure that your training initiatives are completely aligned to your business goals. To add a new skill to the system, log in as an administrator and click Skills. Click Add and enter the skill name and points you want to assign to the Level 1 skill. You can also add Level 2 and 3 for this new skill, assign points, and click Save. The new skill is now added to your account. You can further assign this skill to the learners by selecting the skill and clicking Actions and then Assign to Learners. Now let's switch to the author mode and see how to upload content using Create Modules and Courses. Modules are the building blocks of a course. Authors can create a library of self-paced modules that can be included in the course. The self-paced modules can be a PDF, PowerPoint presentation, Word document, Adobe Captivate course, Adobe Presentation course, or any other SCORM or AICC compliant interactive e-learning content, quiz, or video. Create modules. Fill out the details, upload the content, then click Save. This new module will now be added to the module library. Also, if you wish to publish Adobe Captivate courses, you can use the Direct Publish option to do so. Further, you can create courses using one or more modules. On the Getting Started page, go ahead and click Create Courses. Add the details and click Add Modules. To add Virtual Classroom Module, or Activity Module, go ahead and select it and fill out the form. For Self-Paced Module, you can go ahead and click that and then go ahead and select the modules that you saved in the module library. And click Add Now. Go ahead and save and publish the course. To enroll the learners for this course, you'll have to switch to the Administrator mode, as only administrators have the rights to enroll learners for the course. In the left pane, go ahead and click Courses. On the course card, click Enroll Learners. Select the learners and click Save. To modify some properties, go ahead and click Instances. Here you'll be able to create multiple instances, enable badges, L1 and L3 feedback, gamification points, and set notification alerts. You can further use these courses to build a learning program, which is a bundle of courses that complement each other or help in achieving a larger training goal such as skill development, onboarding, or compliance. You can also add and track certifications in Adobe Captivate Prime, which are either hosted internally or conducted by a third party. You can also create learning plans with a combination of courses, learning programs, and certifications. These learning plans will automatically be assigned to the learners based on the occurrence of certain events like onboarding a new employee or change in designation or location of the employees. Now let's see the Learner Dashboard in Adobe Captivate Prime. This page is divided into 3 sections: Home, Learning, and Catalog. In the Home section, learners get a snapshot of their progress with the help of the leaderboard scores, badges, and skills map. These elements keep the learners engaged, thereby improving the course completion rate. Leaderboards enable the learners to understand how they are faring against a particular team member or know their ranking position relative to other team members. They can earn badges on completing courses or learning programs, and these are displayed on their dashboard. They can also get to see the badges they can achieve on completing certain courses or achieving skills. These badges adhere to the Open Badges standards, and the learners can download these badges and display them on professional networking websites. The skills map displays the skills that are assigned by the learners by the administrator or the skills they have picked up by enrolling for other courses from the catalog. The learning timeline shows the learner's schedule with the courses they need to complete. Learners can select the course name in the left to see the course card on the right, which reveals the learner's progress in the course. They can also get a snapshot to see the recommended courses for them. In the Learning section, they can see a list of courses, programs, and certifications assigned to them. The Smart Course Cards help them see the completion rate, deadline, and course effectiveness course right away. Course effectiveness is a combination of results from learner feedback for the course, learners' quiz results, and manager feedback on performance improvement of the learner over time. The score helps the learner pick the most effective score for their learning needs and helps the authors identify the courses that are not working well and modify the content using the easy versioning option available in Adobe Captivate Prime. In the Catalog section, learners can browse through the available courses, learning programs, and certifications. They can explore the courses that they like to learn about more and then enroll for it, and then start taking the course. This now brings up the key aspect of learner experience, which is Captivate Prime Fluidic Player. This unique player has been designed to deliver an uninterrupted and blended learning experience. It virtually plays any e-learning content uniformly, whether it's a PDF, PowerPoint presentation, Word document, interactive e-learning content, quiz, or a video. Videos are played using the best in-glass streaming technology without the need of any buffering. Learners can also go ahead and add notes on various modules and screens to bookmark content that can be referenced later to improve retention. Learners can also take courses on an iPad by downloading Adobe Captivate Prime app from the App Store. In the app, they can either view the courses online or download the courses. Downloaded courses can be consumed in an offline mode, and the data is synchronized back to Prime when the learner gets online. Now let's take a look at the reporting and tracking options available in Adobe Captivate Prime. In order to see the reports, you need to log in as an administrator or a manager. In the left pane, go ahead and click Reports. You can generate more than 120 reports, which will give you an instant overview to important data like skill achievement, course completion, and course effectiveness. All these reports are displayed in intuitive graphs and allow you for quick zooming and panning, and also drill down to get reports on subset of the data. You can also create multiple dashboards and share them with other admins or managers, and also subscribe to different reports. You can also download these reports with complete data and graph as an Excel sheet. Don't wait. Start using Adobe Captivate Prime today and take charge of your learning environment.